how to add IDM extension to Chrome browser. So if you want to add IDM extension to Chrome browser, then first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search and search for Chrome Web Store. After searching, you need to click on the Chrome Web Store website. It will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to go with search extensions and themes, which is on the top. And here you need to search for IDM extension. After searching for the IDM extension, now you can scroll down and here you will find all of the IDM extensions. So you just need to simply go and select any extension that you're comfortable with. You can go with this one, Download Manager, or this Turbo Download Manager, or you can also search for IDM extension and here you will find the extension. Once you're on your website, you need to go with login, which is on the top right, and log into your account. So enter your username and your password, and after that go with login. And once you've logged in, then if you want to reverse a payment, you can go with contact us, which is right here, and then again click on the contact us section. And from here you'll be able to go with a secure chat, or you can also call. And here are some conditions specific to reversal. So if you want to reverse a request, then here are some of the conditions. You need to just read these conditions. It says that all reversal request instructions are accepted on an FNB payments reversal request form available at a branch or on the website. And it says that payment reversals are not possible for a payment in excess of 5 million, a scheduled payment, or a pay and clear now payment. So it's not possible for these. And for an unsuccessful reversal request, you'll require the contact information of the recipient to recover your funds. The bank will assist you on how you can go with a reverse payment. And payments made to the following recipients cannot be reversed. You need to check if you've done these payments or not, because it won't be reversed. So if you want to reverse your payment, you just need to simply go with a branch, nearby branch, or you can open up the website and log into your account. And after that, if you've submitted an EFT payment incorrectly and the transaction has already been debited from your account and processed into the recipient's account, you need to follow the payment reversal process, which is you need to complete the payment reversal request form, and the form must be completed in full and signed with the account holder or mandated representative. And the completed form must be emailed to FNB. After that, you will receive an automated response with a reference number for the reversal request. For inquiries, or if you do not receive a reversal number or reference number for your submission within 15 minutes, you need to contact the number on the back of your bank card for assistance. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.